Welcome to Natural Living Guide. In today's video, we'll explore how you can naturally rid your respiratory system of mucus using simple salt-based remedies. If you're dealing with congestion or a lingering cough, this video is for you. Today, we'll focus on salt-based remedies to help clear this excess mucus, that stuffy nose, the cough that just won't quit, and the feeling of tightness in your chest. Excess mucus can make even the simplest tasks feel impossible. But before you reach for over-the-counter medications, consider a natural remedy that's been used for centuries: salt. Salt, a common household ingredient, possesses remarkable properties that can help thin mucus and provide relief from respiratory discomfort. It's a simple, safe, and effective way to address those pesky symptoms and breathe easier. In the following sections, we'll delve into how salt works its magic, explore various techniques for using salt to alleviate mucus buildup, and provide you with practical tips to incorporate this natural remedy into your daily routine. Get ready to experience the power of salt for respiratory relief. Before we explore the benefits of salt, let's understand why we have mucus in the first place. Believe it or not, mucus plays a crucial role in keeping us healthy. This slippery substance, produced by the linings of your respiratory system, acts as a protective barrier against foreign invaders like viruses, bacteria, and allergens. Think of it as your body's first line of defense, trapping these harmful particles before they can cause infection. However, when we get sick or encounter irritants, our bodies sometimes produce excess mucus in an attempt to fight back. This overproduction can lead to that uncomfortable feeling of congestion, making it difficult to breathe and speak clearly. So how does salt come into play? Salt possesses a unique ability to draw water towards itself. This process, known as osmosis, is key to understanding salt's effectiveness in relieving mucus buildup. When you introduce salt into your respiratory system, it draws excess water from the surrounding tissues into the mucus. This thins the mucus, making it less sticky and easier to expel. Essentially, salt helps to loosen and break up the congestion, allowing you to breathe more freely. Moreover, salt's natural antibacterial properties can help to fight off infection and further reduce inflammation in the respiratory passages. This dual action makes salt a powerful ally in your fight against respiratory discomfort. One of the simplest and most effective ways to harness the power of salt is through a saltwater gargle. This age-old remedy can provide quick relief from a sore throat, clear mucus from the back of your throat, and reduce inflammation. To prepare a saltwater gargle, simply dissolve 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of salt in a cup of warm water. Stir until the salt is completely dissolved. Take a small sip of the solution, tilt your head back, and gargle for 30 to 60 seconds, making sure to reach the back of your throat. Repeat this process several times a day, especially when you experience a sore throat or congestion. The warm water soothes irritation, while the salt works its magic to thin the mucus and reduce inflammation. Steam inhalation is another effective method for clearing respiratory mucus. Add a teaspoon of salt to a bowl of hot water, place your face over the bowl, and cover your head with a towel. Breathe in the steam for 10-15 minutes to help break down mucus and clear your airways. A mix of salt and honey can also help in mucus relief. The salt helps to break down mucus, while honey soothes the throat and provides antibacterial benefits. Mix a pinch of salt with a teaspoon of honey and take it once or twice a day for relief. Saline nasal sprays are a convenient way to clear mucus from the nasal passages. You can make your own by mixing a 1/4 teaspoon of salt with a cup of distilled water. Use a nasal spray bottle to administer the solution into your nostrils, helping to thin mucus and reduce congestion. We hope these natural salt-based remedies help you find relief from respiratory mucus. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe to the Natural Living Guide for more natural remedies and health tips. Stay strong and healthy. And as always, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Disclaimer: the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Always consult a healthcare professional before making any changes to your diet, especially if you have underlying health conditions.